Hi everyone and welcome to Orange Cooking. Tonight I'll be making ANZAC biscuits just like this, and I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Now we're gonna use all-purpose flour or plain flour. We're gonna put 1 cup of plain flour. Now I got some organic rolled oats here, and I got 1 cup of rolled oats. Next we're adding desiccated coconuts, 1 cup. Alright, now we're adding half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar. Now I got 125 grams of a butter, just unsalted butter, and I'm gonna take 2 spoons of golden syrup and I'm just gonna pour it in there. I'm just gonna pour my butter mixture into my bowl here. Now we're gonna use some baking soda, just 1 teaspoon of baking soda to this. And last thing, I'm just gonna put some hot water, boiling water, about 2 spoons of boiling water. Now I'm just gonna mix this all up and I'll show you once that's done. I covered the plate with some parchment paper. I'm just gonna make little balls just by rolling this and put it on parchment paper. Once I fill this up, I'll show you what to do next. Now that I set up those dough into balls, I'm just gonna let it settle in my fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes before I start cooking them. Now as you see, I separated the cookies and I just need the space in between. So all you do is you take one, you push a bit, and you put it down. I don't want it to spread too much, so I'm making space in between. And then I'm gonna put it in my oven at 180 degrees between 15 and 20 minutes. Alright, now I finished those lovely cookies. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!